Hi everyone. We're going to determine if statement 1 and 2 lead to statement 3 by law of detachment, law of syllogism, or if it's invalid. So for the first one, we have if Rick takes geometry, then Matthew will be his shoulder partner. So if P, then Q. This is your hypothesis. This is your conclusion. Now we're going to look at what the second statement says. If Matthew is his shoulder partner, which is your Q, so you're going to write if Q, then we have another statement that Rick will get an A. So that would be then R. So 3 states if Rick takes geometry, which is this first statement, so that's if P, then Rick will get an A. So that's if P, then R. This is Q, R. So now we have P, R. So if it follows this pattern, this is called law of syllogism. All right. Now let's look at another one. If Janelle gets a job, then she can buy a car. So there's your hypothesis, then your conclusion. If she buys a car, then she will drive to work. So this is R. So another statement. Then, if she gets a job, so we're back to P again, then she will drive to work, which is RR. So again, this is law of syllogism. Because you're doing that. These two are the same here. And in this video, there's no law of detachment, so let me show you one of those. Law of detachment would be like this example. If 3 points are collinear, then the points are on the same line, or all on one line. So if P, then Q. Then it says E, F, and G are collinear. So that means P is true. That means it follows that Q is true. So that's how law of detachment works. So they say that P is true, so that means Q is true. And example 2, if I find $20 in the street, if P, then I'll take you to the movies. I did find $20 in the street, so P happened. So P is true. Therefore, the conclusion, which is our Q, has to be true. And we already went over this. So basically, if P then Q, and it plus if Q then R, then we have if P then R. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.